Welcome to AZ Technology Channel, a place to introduce useful products for your family. Hey guys, we appreciate you taking a few minutes to listen to what we have to say. Today, we will enter the world of high-tech cooking. Today, we're diving into the world of high-tech cooking. We go behind the scenes of an electric stove company that will make you want to ditch takeout and become a gourmet chef. Forget what you think you know about factory floors. This place is buzzing with activity, but it's clean, organized, and downright fascinating. We're talking robots, sparks, and the satisfying clang of metal as raw materials transform into the sleek appliances we know and love. Over the next few minutes, we're going to walk you through every step of the process. We'll see how a simple sheet of stainless steel becomes a culinary powerhouse, ready to handle anything from a simple grilled cheese to a 5-star feast. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. This is manufacturing at its finest. Our journey starts with giant rolls of gleaming stainless steel. This stuff is tough as nails and built to withstand years of scorching heat and culinary adventures. First, these large steel plates are fed into a cutting machine that uses lasers. Yes, lasers. Cut them into the exact shapes needed for the stove and oven. Next, these pieces move on to the bending and forming stations. Here, powerful hydraulic presses guided by skilled technicians mold the flat steel into the familiar curves of your stove. Think of it like a giant cookie cutter, but instead of dough, we're shaping metal. It's amazing to watch these flat pieces transform into the body of a stove. Every bend, every curve is made with incredible precision. And don't worry, they smooth out any rough edges so your new stove is as sleek and shiny as a brand new car. Now that we've got the shell of our stove, it's time to bring the heat. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about the heart of the operation, the heating elements, and all the electrical wizardry that makes them work. First, the heating elements, those coiled wonders that make the magic happen, are carefully installed in their designated spots on the stovetop. These things are built tough, designed to withstand years of high heat and heavy use. Next comes the wiring. Skilled technicians meticulously connect each element to the control panel, ensuring every knob and dial is wired correctly for perfect performance. It's like a symphony of wires and circuits, all coming together to orchestrate your culinary masterpiece. Section 4. Putting stoves to the test. Only the strong survive. Now, before you think these stoves just waltz out the door, hold your horses. Every factory quality is the key. Each and every stove goes through a battery of tests designed to push them to the limit. We're talking about rigorous inspections where every detail is scrutinized. They test the heating elements, the oven temperature accuracy, the control panel responsiveness. You name it, they test it. It's like boot camp for stoves, and only the toughest make it through. This ain't no quick once-over, folks. These tests can take hours, ensuring that every single stove that leaves this factory meets AZ Technology's high standards. They even have a team dedicated to simulating real-world kitchen use, putting these stoves through their paces to ensure they can handle whatever culinary challenges you throw at them. Section 5. From factory to your kitchen. The final journey. All right, our stoves have been through the ringer and come out on top. They're tough, they're reliable, and they're ready to cook up some culinary magic. But the journey's not over yet. The final stage is all about getting these bad boys packaged up and shipped off to eager customers all over the country. Each stove is carefully wrapped in protective materials, ensuring they arrive at your doorstep in pristine condition. From there, they're loaded onto trucks and whisked away to distribution centers. It's a well-oiled machine, folks, getting these stoves from the factory floor to your kitchen with speed and efficiency. And let me tell you, are you looking forward to unboxing your brand new Miracle Stove? There's nothing quite like it. Section 6. Stay tuned, cooking fans. Well, there you have it, folks. A brief tour through the fascinating world of manufacturing everything at the AZ Technology Channel. From humble sheets of steel to high-tech cooking powerhouses, we've seen it all. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling inspired to whip up a feast after that. It's amazing to see the ingenuity, precision, and hard work that goes into creating the appliances we often take for granted. So next time you're whipping up a culinary masterpiece on your trusty electric stove, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. And hey, if you're ever in the market for a new stove, remember AZ Technology. They're cranking out some seriously impressive cooking machines. Until next time, keep cooking and more. Thank you and see you again.